Hey, welcome. So, sorry, I forgot to remove this animation here. Okay, perfect. We're ready to go. So, I see there's a lot of you here already on the comment section. I am so glad. And, well, let me welcome you to this midnight hackathon. First of all, and before I forgot, here's the link to register. So remember to head to http:/events.mlh.io with this number so you can check in for the event. Also, we recommend you to take a look to mlh.link/slash midnight hackathon to see all the resources available for this weekend, right? We are going to cover a lot during the opening ceremony. Don't worry, yeah, the recording of this ceremony will be available on our YouTube channel. Plus, we're going to have a Q&A at the end of it. So you'll be very welcome to post any questions you may have here in the comment section. I'll be taking a look to it. So excited, Siddharth. So as am I. Welcome. Let me start displaying some of your amazing comments here. Anu says hello. Excited for work and waiting for the start of the hackathon. Yeah. Hey, the stranger says hi. Hello, everyone. Hello. So, a lot of great vibes here in the stream. What's up? Hello, everyone says. Great to be here. Dark Dragon says hello. Let's go from Island Goat Stephanie. Hi, everyone. Again, GM. Yeah, I love the GM. Hello, everyone from Nepal. That's amazing. Hi, everyone. Taking advantage of this, where are you from? Like, I am from Mexico. It's not that early for me. It's like 9 a.m. in the morning, but this is global, right? So, what are your time zones? Where are you watching from? GM, India. Amazing, Anu. So, congratulations and welcome to this hackathon. Hi, got into Midnight Hackathon Summit in London. I'm from India but living in the US. Amazing. Alabama. It's already 8:30 p.m. Mine is IST. A lot of people from the US, a lot of people from India. That's great. Uh, Emalix says from Nigeria, from Kenya, also. New York. Amazing. So it's great to know you're all from diverse places. Let's keep going with the opening ceremony. Let me I myself these to the stream. Okay, so you're supposed to see this now. I'll remove or I'll move myself. It depends on the slide to better see what's happening. But let's start, right? First of all, I want to introduce myself, people. My name is Alberto. I am your Major Hacking Coach representative. Well, one of your Major Hacking coaches from this weekend. We're going to get to know the rest of the team in a second. But for me specifically, I am a plant lover. I am very passionate about coffee, and I'm a photography enthusiast. So there are some icebreakers. I'll be post on Discord. Don't worry if you don't know what Discord is, but I'll be there to try to answer all your questions, to be support, and well, this could be an entry to just start chatting as well, right? Welcome now to this Midnight Hackathon. I'm very excited to this weekend in general. Like I think it's an amazing opportunity for all the attendees. I think we have like over 1,500 people registered, so it will be a very, very huge hackathon. And well, little spoiler, but the prizes are just amazing. So you will be very excited when you see them, right? We are so excited to have you here. And well, again, we are right now in a hackathon hosted by the Midnight Foundation and the Melee Hacking. So not only Melee Hacking representatives will be at the event, but also from Midnight Foundation directly. Actually, we built your favorite hacks together this weekend. So starting right now, you're going to be around at all hours to make you sure you have a successful weekend. That includes your other emulators. That's again me again, Alberto, but also we are going to have Quinn and Riley, right? So you can come to us with anything. I mean, questions, concerns, or just to hang out. Again, I mentioned you some of my interests, so we can chat a lot, right? That's one of the main things I love for from hackathons. Just spend a good time with other people and getting to know each other. Let's hearing now from Lauren. Lauren's from the Midnight Foundation, and right now she's not here like directly live with us, but she made us a recording for us to put attention with some special instructions and well, a direct message. So let's hear it. Amazing. So yeah, sorry for the audio. I do think it was like covered. It was supposed to have the audio, but yeah, that's also why the captions were there. So I'm so sorry. I will share the YouTube link with you here on the comments, so you can watch it again with audio. But I hope you don't miss anything, right? And Lauren also mentioned some of the interesting things we're going to have this hackathon. Um, Let me see if you mentioned something else. Uh, yeah, no, I'll do. Thank you for that. But I don't know what happened. No one managed to read the caption. Okay, great. So that's good. You managed to read the captions. And again, I will share the link so you can watch it again with full audio. Thank you for the patience. So, what exactly is happening this weekend at the Midnight Hackathon? A lot of things I have to say, but mainly. Next 48 hours, you are jam packed with activities. We'll use these activities to learn, share, and also make friends. That's one of the main reasons, again, we are here, right? So we have planned for you a lot of workshops, mini events that are going to be happening during all the weekend. So an example of that, let me move myself here so you can see the times. Is we have the midnight workshop, a couple of minutes, so 12:30 ET time. Um, so this is like happening after opening ceremony in just a couple of minutes. We also have a team formation activity. I see some of you already are talking about joining a team. I like to join a team as well. If anyone's still looking, for example, here are the comments from not MC Savvy. Well, we're going to have a team formation. If you don't manage to have a team uh, by that time, it's 2:30 p.m. ET time. And also, we encourage you to make some friends and build up in the team formation channel that's on Discord, right? We are going to have mini events like Scribble.io. If you don't know how to play it, don't worry. We will be so glad to teach you. It's that for 5:30 a.m. ET time. That's on Saturday. So actually, I'm going to be hosting that. So I'll be really, really happy to have you there if you want to join me. This is going to be happening on Discord again. So only the workshop from midnight. It's going to be happening here live on StreamYard. Well, sorry, on Twitch and YouTube. This Scribble one, it's going to be on the Discord server, right? Same as this Tetris tournament. That's at 11 a.m. ET time of Saturday. And well, how you can get to know more hackers this weekend? We're going to be having hosting some hacker hangouts on Discord again. So we invite you to join us at Saturday. It will be 8:30 p.m. ET time, or if depending on your time zone, some of you are IST. That's 6 a.m. Right. So speaking of Discord, because I already mentioned it quite times, right? So do you know what else you need to know for this weekend? Well, Discord is where you can chat, ask questions, and meet your community. If you're not part of the Mainly Hacking Discord yet, well, we invite you to join us at discord.mlh.io. That's a simple link to remember, right? So if you're not there yet, go ahead, register for the event. Well, first register for the Discord server, then register for the event in the links I shared previously in the opening, and also you will see a lot of the resources in the hackathon midnight hackathon channels, right? uh, Register to this event at mlh.link/midnight hackathon. And well, what's up for grabs this weekend? This is one of the main and I know you were hoping for this part. Well, the prizes. The top four teams, as Lauren mentioned, we're going to invite you to form or to be part of a fellowship. So these winning teams are going to earn a spot in the Mainly Hacking Fellowship, including the stipend. So this is going to be the 10 weeks, sorry, fellowship, where you can not only take to the next level your project that you build right now, but to gain more exciting knowledge from the Midnight Foundation. Also, exclusive Midnight Swag, headphones per participant, and this last one was recently added, and I think it's one of the most exciting ones. The invitation to be part of a Midnight Summit. So you will receive a travel grant to attend Midnight Summit in London. So if you're not excited for being part of this hackathon right now, I don't know what you're waiting for. I do think this is like one of the best prizes I ever seen. So Remember, these prizes are for the top 4 teams. And also, we're going to have Best Beginner Hack track. And for being able to participate in this track, we ask at least 50% of the participants or in the team are their first hackathon, right? So you will get exclusive midnight swag as well and the headphones. So in this case, the difference is that you're not receiving the fellowship track or the travel stipend for the Midnight Summit. We will be running a raffle as well on the Midnight Discord. So I already invited you to register on Meoli Hacking Discord, but also we have another surprise for 3 lucky winners that we will get a surprise item that joined the Midnight Hackathon Discord. So, sorry, this is Midnight Discord. So join at mlh.link/Midnight Hackathon Discord and fill out the mlh.link/midnight discord raffle in order to participate. At the end of the hackathon, we will announce the raffle winners. Anything else I need to be successful in this weekend? Well, yes, you want to submit a demo. So if you're not familiar with hackathons this far, maybe this is your first one. Actually, let me know here in the comments if this is your first hackathon. That will be very, very exciting to know. Or if you're not familiar like with the mailing hacking format, we normally submit or make the judgment in dev post. So in dev post, you will need to submit a demo, show us what you built. Again, it doesn't matter of if you didn't finish or if you just were like with a high hope and didn't manage to complete all your features. So regardless of your project, I recommend you to be proud of what you built and show it off. So how do you create this demo? This is really simple. You need just to include a 2 minutes video demo showing us what you built. Tell us like for us in the long-term vision of your project. Also include the link for the public repo. That's very, very important, sorry, because some of the times you include a link for private repo, so we cannot judge it. That's a problem. Remember, it has to be a public repo. And finally, submit that to DevPost, which is midnight hackathon.devpost.com. That the deadline will be at 10 a.m. on Sunday ET time. So uh, be really aware of this. And we also are going to host DevPost office hours. So be pending to that on Discord server for the announcement of that office hours, right? Now, on more serious note, remember for being here, you're already accept the Emily Hacking Code of Conduct. Um, so we want to encourage this to be a safe space for everyone. If you don't feel that's happening, please feel free to reach out to incidents at Melee Hacking or mlh.io and check the link to know who you can call. Also, all of my other colleagues, Queen and Ryan and me, are going to be very, very pending for this. So you can reach out to us if any concerns happen. Returning to the mode, let's everyone know that you're hacking this weekend. So please tag us and your social medias, Midnight Network and Melee Hacks, right? MLH Hacks. These are the two handles you can use, and we will be really, really happy for you. Sorry for be sharing this with the rest of the world, right? My advice for you this weekend, as all weekends I am part of, it's just to team up and have fun. Don't worry about the project that much. Remember, you come here to learn, you come here to do your best, but you mainly come here to team up and have fun, right? We encourage you again to use the team building channel to find yourself a teammates. If you don't worry, we'll have the team building activity. If you still need help, this activity will be happening to 3 at a time. So Any question? Any concern? Not sure where to begin again? Do you want me to share again any resource, any link? Now let me look for the Lauren video so I can share the link, and you can see the video with audio, right? Please post any questions you may have here. I see there's a lot of comments on the comment section, so give me a second to find the link for the YouTube video, and I will share it with you in a second. Plus, again, remember, you can find the a very large list of resources in DevPost and in the channel on Midnight Hackathon at Discord. Hmm. I don't know why it didn't hear or the audio was not reproduced. Hmm. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't think this is actually on YouTube. Um, no, this is not. This was not on YouTube. Sorry. This is something we have like in our storage, so I cannot share the link. But hey, you can always watch the recording again. We have this on our YouTube channel, and well, that was the captions intention to have there. So let me start reading some of your questions here, and I will be really happy to try to answer them. Anyone want to team up? Great. Mm, what do you mean with Discord? Is that a question? Do you want the Discord link again? Don't worry, I'll share the resources with you in a second. For the merely hacking one, it's this. And for the raffle and being part of the Midnight Discord, we have this other one. So remember, the merely hacking one is this, and the Midnight Discord is this one, right? Um, I want to team up. I want to team up too. Okay, that's great. You're already looking for teams. Hey, will the price be same for solo hackers, or it will the hackers not be considered? Um, no, actually, the prices are the same. That's a great question, but we recommend you to try to team up. I mean, like, and we know you're really capable of building a project yourself, Nikita, but well, one of the main parts of being in a hackathon, right, is to get to know more people, team up, and build amazing project, right? So you can totally go solo. That's no problem. But we do encourage you to form a team. There are a lot of people here looking for team members. So why not at least pair with one of two of them, right? Remember, the maximum number of team members, it's four. You can go solo as well, but we really want you to look for other team members and try to build with them, right? That's one of the interesting and funny parts of being in a hackathon. Um, I want to team up. Okay, this is my first hackathon. Amazing. So welcome you. Mm, mm. This is my first hackathon as well. Welcome to you too. And what's the point of the team? It is my what the point of joining a team? It's my first time. Well, the main point also is to imagine if you can build something really cool just by yourself. Imagine what you can do with more hands on it. Imagine, or also this is a great opportunity to share your skills of team being a team member, a team player. If you want to take more on our leader role, that's great. I mean, hackathons are safe spaces. So, what other great opportunity to team with strangers, or probably, well, some of people come already with friends. But if you come and you don't have any other friend here attending, you can make friends. That's great, right? I'm in. Okay. We need to ask what's the maximum number of members for a team this project? Four. Um, we should. I think it's four. Yeah, it's four. Huh. Link for raffle. Give me a second, and I'll share it to you. Remember, for the raffle, you will have to join Midnight Discord and fill out the raffle form. That's this one. And also, well, only those. I sent, okay, where can I team up? Well, we recommend you to use the information channel on Discord. It's in the Melee Hacking server. You will see the channel or the sections for the Midnight Hackathons, and then you can see the channel specifically for team building. Me too. Will the price be the same for solo hackers, or will the solo hackers not be considered? Okay, I think I already answered to this. Uh, Please post the MLH Midnight Hackathon and raffle link. Okay, I already shared that. I guess they will. I guess they will give us the outline in the workshop in an hour. Yeah, exactly. Actually, Queen, if I remember well, it's the one that we hosting that workshop. So he's going to join us very soon in half hour. Dev post link. Here it goes. Give me a second. It's simple, easy to remember. midnighthackathon.devpost.com. But here you have it also. Okay, great. My Discord handle, okay. Discord link is in available, right? They're supposed to be available. I don't know if that's a problem right now. Anyone else do try the Discord, sorry, the dev post link and it's not available? Let me try myself. Give me a second. No, it's available. Yeah, I just tried and it's ready. So maybe there were like typo in the link. But I just place it here on the comment so you can copy and paste. What exactly is the problem statement? Well, in this case, you're free to use the Midnight tools as creatively as you can. I mean, there is no specific problem statement. It's more like how you can be creative in using these Web3 tools, right? Um, no link, try and make username. Okay. So I see a lot of you are already teaming up here, so that's great. Create the Discord loops. Yeah, a lot of conversation happening on team building here. Um, I registered solo for the hackathon, but I didn't see an option to create or join a team. How does the information process work? Oh, okay. So this is a great question. You don't have to register your team once, for example, at the beginning of the hackathon. The team actually it's going to be registered on DevPost. So once you submit your project, DevPost will give you the options to add team members. There's only need to submit one project per team, so only one person of the team is needed to submit the project to do the submission, right? But it's really really important that all the members are on that dev post project. So again, this is going to be explained in more detail on the DevFest office hours, but for the moment, just if you want to team up, don't worry. Just send direct messages or make friends on Discord. I don't know, create. Some people even create themselves a Discord a server for communication during the hackathon. I don't know, interchanging WhatsApp numbers. Um, Things like that, right? For teaming up right now, you just need to be in communication with the rest of your team members, and once you submit, that's when you are going to declare that you're a team, right? Because all the team members need to be on the Discord submission. So great question, thank you, Anya. Will the price be the same for solo hackers or the hackers not be considered? Okay, I think I already answered this again. Compulsory for to form a team. Can we submit a project we have started on? Um, this one also it's a great question. The answer it's no. I mean, like in the guidelines you can see more details of why this is not possible, but we want you to start a new project right now. I mean, if you already have the idea, that's like completely valid, but I do recommend you to try to come up or take the advantage at these hackathon to build from scratch. Like maybe you already think and polish some of the use cases details of your application or your project, your the app, for example. Well, try to start it from scratch. You can see how the code it's better now that you can rethink of it, right? What's the team size requirement? You can go solo again, that's no problem. A team of one or maximum four people. But again, we recommend you to team up. So four will be the ideal number of participants per team. Hey Alberto, I have been having issues with setting up my local environment. Should I ask in the Midnight Discord? It's kind of hard to troubleshoot virtually, but thank you so much. Hey Tammy, you're totally right. Actually, remember we mentioned, for example, that in the in this hackathon we are going to have team members of of the Midnight Foundation. Well, let me see if I can get to you who is going to be on top of this. Supposedly, for answering your Discord questions right now, Friday, we have Jay Albert and Samantha Holstein from the Midnight Foundation. So that's a great approach. Actually, we do recommend you to take a look to this, sorry, Midnight Discord server and try to solve your questions there. But also, we are here right now, right? Me and Quinn and Ryan to try to help you with these sort of things as well. Um, Great question. So send you link. Hi sir, how are you? Raffle link. Okay, I already shared the raffle link. There is no problem statement, right? So we can make anything using Midnight Compact. Yeah, this is right. Tell me about team requirements. Okay, I think we already covered this. How much it's stipend for fellowship price? This is a great question, and actually, I don't have an answer for that at the moment. Why don't you place that question in Discord, and I will give you an answer there. I will need to look to it. So, great. Thank you so much for the question. When trying to enter the Midnight Discord, it says can't join the Midnight Discord, can't accept the invite. Oh, that's weird. Anyone else with this problem? No, Jautha, please try again with another browser. Maybe that's one of the problems. Else, try to. Do you have an already existing Discord account? I don't know what this is happening to you, but we can follow this up. Um, if you're not able to join, trying with another browser, and once you check your account, please reach out to the Discord of Mayorly Hacking, and we can try to help you there. Send link via PM, maximum amount of team members for. Hey, can you share the Discord servers mentioned? Okay, I already shared that. This is my first hackathon, not sure how it works. Okay, first of all, welcome, book lover. How this works, it's that you are going to being able to team up, have a lot of fun, sorry, attend or workshops or mini bands or sessions to make bigger your experience during this weekend. And at the end, we have a submission deadline for 10 a.m. on Sunday, and we are going to review your projects and tell you who the winners are, the best four teams and the best beginner track. That's a quick overview of how the hackathon works. For submitting, you will need to send a demo video of maximum 2 minutes, and to share your public repo with us, right? So that's how it works. I don't know how to join my team. Again, don't worry, just team up, start building, and when you submit your project, that's then how you join the team. Exactly. Like you need to register all of the team members in the depth of submission. The MLA page you have to poke around. Thank you. Okay. When are we starting to hack? Right now. You can start right now. I mean, we are officially on the hackathon. We already give the opening ceremony. We're just answering some questions. This is our Q&A session. So you're ready to go. Sure. Sorry, you're good to go to start hacking. How do we use Midnight tools in our project? That's also a great question. Actually, we have a lot of resources for you, many of them shared by the Midnight Foundation. Uh, I can share some of these right now, but mainly I will refer you to the Midnight documentation. Um, but in the dev post, there's a specific section that you can see that is resources. So here, let me try to share my screen again. Okay, great. So you already seen my screen. This is the dev post of midlandhackathon.devpost.com, and you will see this first page when you enter. This is the overview one, right? But in the resources one, you will see some quick links to help you out with installation, a quick start, example repositories, the technology overview, the developer hub, some additional resources like installing Compact for dev diaries, a crash course on the contract language, the connection to wallets functionality, the front end developer taking a look to Midnight JS, for example, also in dApps repo. So if you want to take inspiration on existing projects, this is a great resource. and some templates to get started quickly, like for example, open Zeppelin contracts for NFTs, like this library, which is Midnight Hackathon NFT library, to report bugs, features, and everything that's happening here. We have the community hub, right? So this is a great place to find resources. Also, I do recommend you to take a look to directly the documentation page. Let me give it to you in a second. Okay, here it is. Network. Great. So, can we apply data security pipeline to any domain? Yeah, that would be great. I had a more of nightmares than good experience with dimming. No, 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 no. I know it can be hard sometimes working with strangers, but hey, don't give up on teaming. Uh, Again, we recommend you to team up for this hackathon and try to get a good experience from it. Can you create a dedicated channel in Discord server for team building? Yeah, actually we have one. It's team building. Yeah. What else? Let's team up. Mine is okay. I send a request. Please, what kind of projects or hackathon tracks are we required for this hackathon? As I already mentioned, this is not like a theme center. The main idea is to use Midnight tools here. And if you want some inspiration on how to create these apps, there's the resource for that on existing dApps, right? Or decentralized apps. I start a project for another hackathon. Can I polish it up and submit it? Again, the answer it's no. We will like to see fresh ideas, new things, new projects here. Um, and if you already submit this to another hackathon, well, that's against our guidelines. So I'm sorry, but the answer is no. Can we partner up, or are you okay? I think this is specifically for another people. Yeah. Uh, will it be fair if, while some teams are participating in this Scribble minigame, other teams are focused on the project and getting more stuff done? Are okay, I get your point. Um, so each one is free to manage their time as they want. The mini bands are not mandatory. I mean, all of the workshops, the mini bands, and all the resources we have for you are for increasing the experience and make you have a better experience overall of the hackathon. But if you fully want to focus on the project, that's fair. I mean, like you can totally do it, so don't worry. But I mean, I will recommend you to attend and have a great time. Free your mind a little, like a mental break. Relax some time. Is there a problem statement? Okay, the answer this is no. We already talked about this. Are we supposed to build our project user compact? Yeah. Um, yeah, for example, here, purely optional, but you should join. It will be fun. Yeah, thank you so much. Hello, Paul Zero. I am looking for a team. I guess have to join via Twitch to ask questions. No, I already answered your questions. I remember you, Anu. You answered a great question. Um, it is working great. Can we work solo? Again, answer is yes, but we do encourage you to team up. That makes the experience funnier. I was having some issues joining Twitch on this computer. I will. So will the midnight workshop be on Twitch too? Yeah, we'll stream it either in YouTube or Twitch. Um, Is that how all the workshops were? They are streaming on Twitch. Not all, like, well, for example, this workshop from the Midnight Foundation, yes, but the mini events like Scribble and the Tetris tournament are not going to be streamed. Or, for example, the Dev Post Office Hours on the Hacking Hangouts, that's all happening inside the Discord server. Um, Okay, a lot of questions if they can work solo. Yeah, again, you're free to work solo. If I already select solo hacker on DevPost, can I still team up? Yeah, don't worry. That was mainly if you already come with an existing team or if you were like joining solo. But that doesn't mean you need to work solo for the hackathon. Actually, that will be great if you just join a team, go to team building channel, and in when you submit to DevPost, make sure that all of your team members are on the submission, right? Can I have a team of my offline friends? I don't know what you mean with offline friends. Um, but if they're participating in the hackathon, I don't know what you mean, but yeah, as long as they're participating in the hackathons, you can team up with them. You can edit it. What exactly is problem statement? Use midnight. Uh, yeah, works a lot, but recommend for the. Okay, yeah, great. Again, Hanu, you're on fire today. One criterion for judging the problem business value: does this project have a business value? Can it be launched as product? Can Okay. For answering that, okay, well, we'll see. Oh, great! Thanks for letting me know. Yeah, can you please expand the problem statement? Again, the problem, it's, well, there's no specific problem statement, so you will have to build a project over the midnight solutions. Um, so I don't know. I'm looking for specific examples. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, well, yeah, I don't have any specific examples, but um, it's based on building around midnight. Don't you worry about a specific statement. And the resources of DevPost, you can find more inspiration for existing applications. And well, one of the main things here is to understand what's the main intention of Midnight as a platform, as a product, and try to apply that to an existing problem that may be occurring. Um, so yeah, what are the resources provided for the MLH of this hackathon? They are on the DevPost page, which is midnighthackathon.devpost.com. And also, there are existing resources in our Discord channel that it's the link I already shared. Uh, the invite is paused. Okay, you're talking about joining for teaming up. Make sure you're doing the quick start part for developers. Your proof server has to be running, and your settings in the Lace wallet have to point to your local server. Okay, this is a great advice. Thank you so much. So, at other MLH called hackathons, there is no more best use of midnight. No, yeah, we still having best use of midnight, but we wanted to do this midnight focus hackathon, right? What is fellowship? Well, a great question here, Nurag. Well, fellowship it's an initiative for the mainly hacking. Uh, that it's kind of an internship. I mean, it's the main idea of an internship, but the changing the name not only reflects the difference on the purpose. We want people to join us at building amazing things and learn a lot from this experience. So for this specific hackathon, remember you will have the opportunity to get into a 10-week fellowship incubator where the top four teams or the top four projects for this are going to be worked more deeply in order to have a product, right? Um, you will receive a stipend and direct mentorship from the Midnight team. So, as this fellowship that we can have for this Midnight track, in the mainly hacking, we also have other tracks like SWE or open source. You can take a look to um, MLH page to see more details about the fellowship. And also in the Mainly Hacking Discord, we have a specific section for fellowship questions. So if you're interested, please take a look to that resources. Yes, I paused the invite for now. Okay, uh, this team building. Where can I find the Midnight Discord server? I already shared the link. It's here around the comments, but it's mlh.link slash midnight Discord, something like that. Do we have a dedicated channel for the Midnight Hackathon in MLH Discord? Answer is yes. Uh, Hey, I joined Midnight Network Discord, but I am not allowed to send a message there for queries. I think you should have some verification steps, so please make sure you complete all the verification steps to get started channel, things like that, so you can start chatting there. There are 2 years of docs and videos about Midnight. You will come up with your own best use. Yeah, thank you. Does everyone in the team needs to be in the demo video or just mentioning at the names? Is good enough. Actually, not even mentioning. Don't worry. With them being registered as the team in the DevPost submission, that's enough. You don't have to actually mention like in I don't know some kind of hi or names are these or this team is built by a, B, and C or D. I don't know, things like that. Actually, you can focus directly on the usage or the important product on the demo video, sorry, and then just make sure your submission includes all the team members. Do you need to verify, complete the steps in the server? Yeah, I was talking about this. Complete the servers in the steps, sorry, in the server guide. Uh, Me and my team members have a dev post. Awesome. Thanks a lot. I'm doing Hack GT and Hackathon and Midnight Hackathon both during this weekend. Okay, be careful with that. Just um, make separate submissions, and I don't think that will be a problem. Uh, yeah, just make separate submissions. What are the themes or topics so I can start working? Use Midnight. I am getting no access in mini band and team thing. I don't get what you mean, like getting no access in mini band. Um, Same. Once you just enter Discord, make sure to complete like all steps for getting your roles, unlocking channels, verify your account, things like that. I also have the can I accept the invite issue. join the midnight server, but after 2 days, the server isn't in the list when I try to join. Uh, okay, that's weird. Me and my team have DevPlus account, and while forming our profile, we feel already team. But okay, again, the team building works just during the um, some vision of DevFox project. That's the only time you actually need to set the teaming or the declaring that you're part of a team. Don't worry for the rest. Anyone willing to add me to your team? Um, mm, this is my first hackathon. Any tips for beginners, especially those who are never developed? Newer developers, yeah, try to get a lot of questions and try to resolve them. you know uh, I think hackathons are a really great environment or space to learn new things, because you do have a lot of mentoring, you do have a lot of things happening around, and a lot of support, not only for mentors but for other hackers. If you team up with someone willing to teach you, that will be a great experience as well. So that will be my advice: try to make friends, try to learn a lot. And well, we're running out of time. Let me see if I can manage to complete all of your questions. I focus on the environment, it's fully working. Okay, this question: does the project need to be fully working? The answer is no. Show us your project regarding of the progress. Remember that. Anyone looking for team? We're defined the entire problem. Okay. Can we do solo? Yes. Uh, I don't have permissions to text on MLH Discord server. Complete your verification steps, complete your profile, set up your roles, and things like that. That'll be what you need to do. Okay, no more questions then. Great. So it was my pleasure to host this opening ceremony. A lot of comments, a lot of participation from you. I also see great attendance for this opening ceremony. It was my pleasure to be here, and I am so excited to continuing during all the weekend. Right, so I'm very excited to see your projects. Thank you. Have a great day. No, thanks to you. And well, I'll keep post on Discord. So if you have any question, remember that's where you can find us. Me, Queen, or Ryan. Right. So thank you so much, and I will see you.